All right, guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today was pretty crazy. First of all, in the morning, we went ahead and started out by finishing off some fire alarm demo up on the 7th floor in suite 735, which took about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Taking out the last duct detector, pulling out the wire down the junction boxes, and into the fire alarm panel. And then we hurried back downstairs at 7 o'clock to do some training on asbestos and lead paint or lead. So that took 3 hours. And then after that, we cleaned out a little bit in the laydown, and then we went ahead and started our new project, which is going to take like 2 years at least or something like that. So what we're going to be doing for the next 2 years is going to be remodeling the emergency department. So I will go ahead and hand it back off to myself and give you guys a tour of what it looks like so far day one. Here we go. All right, so this is what it looks like. They started tearing out the sheetrock. The sheetrockers came in and started tearing out the sheetrock so we can get into the walls. But basically, trying to wrap my head around this whole project, there is a lot of stuff on the blueprints, which is overwhelming. They're just really, really small and crammed, so maybe I need to get some of those blown up. So it'll cause me less stress. Also, this is just a whole different thing of what I had planned in my mind. I thought they were just going to shut down the emergency department and we were going to turn off the power and just gut everything. It was going to be fun. It was going to be easy, brainless. But that's not the case. Basically, we're going into a live emergency department and they're shutting down little portions at a time to remodel the emergency department. So basically, we have to find all the live circuits and then turn those off and then take out the wire. Basically, we're removing all the receptacles, all the switches, all the lights, basically literally everything, including the pipe inside the walls. We're taking out all the electrical because they're basically just going to like control delete this whole place right here, and they're just going to change it into something else, and this isn't even going to exist. They're going to tear down all the walls and stuff like that. So they're just going to change this into a whole different thing. So all this stuff just has to get removed. So we started by tearing out boxes today, pipe, wire, and stuff like that, locked out some circuits, turned those off, pulled out the wire. So we're just taking this one step at a time because it's it's overwhelming for me, let alone my apprentice and stuff like that, and anyone else probably. But anyways, for me, it was just a lot to comprehend today, so I was just trying to take it slow, one step at a time, and be safe. But anyways, went ahead, like I said, and started pulling out the boxes, the receptacles, the wire, cutting out pipe out of the ceiling. Got to go ahead and the sheetrockers have to cut out some more walls tomorrow, and then we'll go ahead and take out some more stuff. But other than that, it's pretty stressful so far, not gonna lie. It's just a lot different than I had planned in my mind, but like I said, taking it one step at a time, and so far so good. Everything has been safe so far. Here's all the pipe that we took out today, all the pipe out of the walls, out of the ceiling, and all the wire that we got out of those pipes so far today. So anyways, that's all I got for you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for this new project. Stay tuned. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Peace. Just kidding, I wanted to go ahead and tell you guys everything that we did today. So this had some pipe coming out the top of it, so I went ahead and cut that pipe out, which just basically 180'd over to another box right here on top of this piece of metal that we already took out. So it was just like 290s going up, over, and then back down. So we pulled out that pipe, and then from there we went ahead and continued on to the right. There's a few more boxes right here that got removed, pulled the wire outside of this TV box, I believe that was, or something, or the box next to the TV. So there was a box there. There was two boxes in the wood, as you can see. Those were cut out. We got those removed. Got the pipe going in between those boxes, cut and removed. So those are where the boxes, there was like 4 boxes right here, one under each of those wood cuts. So we got those removed, and then the pipe between it, like I said, and the wire pulled out between that box, which goes up to the ceiling. We got that pipe cut right there. Waiting for the sheetrockers to remove more sheetrock before we can pull out that pipe, and also cut the top of this pipe, or cut this pipe right here, as you can see sticking out of the wall. So we cut that, wait for the sheetrockers to remove that wall so we can take that one out. And those 2 pipes went to these 2 different boxes right here. I think one of these is critical power and one of is normal power, so we took out one pipe out of the back of both of those boxes. As you can see, all my circuits that I taped off right there. So got those taped off, and there's just so much wire in there. But anyways, yeah, going to continue to work on that tomorrow, just taking out all this MC out of the ceiling, going to the other room behind it, and then also removing these plugs.